AI video is about to change everything, but here's one huge problem holding it back: keeping characters consistent. Faces blur, clothing change, bodies twist, and it instantly makes your video look fake. And here's the crazy part. Did you notice that this wasn't actually me talking? This is my AI clone, created, animated, and speaking right now. And by the end of this video, you will know how to make your own consistent, lifelike AI characters and bring them into fully animated videos. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to make your AI characters look real and stay consistent, which AI tools to use, whether it's Seedream 4 for top quality or Nanobanana when you want to create for free, how to animate them smoothly with Higgsfield AI tools, perfect for product videos, social media, or storytelling, how to make them speak realistically with perfect lip sync.
Enhance your beauty with this luxurious red lipstick that elevates every look. Perfect for those unforgettable moments.
And even how to build cinematic characters like a Cyberpunk ninja fighting scene straight out of a video game. The number one reason AI video fails is inconsistency. With Seedream 4 and Nanobanana, you can lock in your character's appearance. And I'll show you exactly how to do it. Right now, Higgsfield is offering unlimited image generations with Seedream 4 and Nanobanana, plus 75% off VO3 video generations. There's never been a better time to jump in. This lets you try out different styles and get your characters look just right without spending anything. And inside, you'll get access to a full ecosystem of tools for both images and videos. Let's start with what's often the hardest part: creating a realistic human character that stays consistent across different generations, different scenes. So step one is build your base character. Inside Higgsfield, you can use models like Seedream or Nanobanana. It's excellent for creating high quality realistic characters with consistent details. A quick tip: the Soul ID characters, I tried it in my test and it struggled with accuracy and consistency. As you can see here, I've tried it with both myself and my character here, Roxy. This was pretty close, but she has blonde hair, whereas my character has actually pink hair and looks different. Now here's how to create your character. Start with a reference image, either one that you've generated or found online, or you can simply describe the character that you want in English. Describe the pose, the environment, and what your character is doing in your prompt. This helps the AI lock in all the key elements: face, the body style, the clothing. That way every image that you generate stays visually consistent and accurate to what you want to create. In my case, I've already created several versions of my character Roxy with products, different scenes, her holding the phone. Some generations failed and some generations were optimal. But if you don't have a character in mind yet, don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini to help you create one. You can ask for a few example characters, complete with visual prompts and descriptions, or you can also head to Midjourney and just simply get something that you like. And here you can actually copy the prompt. You can head over to Gemini, paste in your prompt, hit go, and it will generate for you an image that looks similar to what you have in here in Midjourney. Pro tip: make sure to include a few close-up shots of the face, some full body images, and varied poses to cover different angles. Finally, if you already have a character in mind, drag it into the box here and describe what you want to create, or describe them in plain English out of your imagination. Once you're happy with the design, you're ready to bring them to life. Pro tip: make sure to include a few close-up shots of the face, some full body images, and varied poses to cover different angles. If you're getting value so far, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I break down the latest and greatest AI tools just like this every week. Now, let's bring your character into the real world by creating a product video. This kind of content is perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or e-commerce. So I generated images of Roxy holding a red lipstick and skincare products. Now, little tip here, you can have your character showcase any product. Just upload a reference image into the box here or describe what you want her to hold in the prompt. The AI will handle the rest. Once the image is ready, to animate your character, use the Speak Video feature inside Higgsfield, and here you can choose several models like Google VO3, Kling Speak, Higgsfield Speak, or Infinite Speak, which just got released recently. In my opinion, VO3 Fast or VO3 gives the best overall results in terms of realism and smooth motion, but the other models can also work really well. The results vary. It's a trial and error based on your prompt, your reference image that you provide, and the model that you choose. Now you can upload your own voice here, or you can generate a voice inside here, and you have different voices here that you can use, you know.
Okay, so basically what our business...
Got a male voice.
Okay, so basically business is about
You got a furious voice, you've got an old lady voice.
So basically what our business...
You've got various voices in here that you can use. This makes it super easy to match your character's lip sync and tone to the message that you're delivering. Now, if you're not sure what to write in the speak video prompt box in here, don't worry. Here is a simple trick. You can go over to ChatGPT or Gemini, upload the image that you want to animate, write in what you want the person to say and what the animation should look like, and then ask it to improve my animation prompt, and then type in what you want the character to say or what you want the character to do. You can also include any movement or animation details like hand gestures, eye movement, or head turns. These tools can help you generate a complete natural sounding prompt tailored to your image and video goal. Then head over back to here and paste in your prompt. This way, you don't have to guess what to type in, and your animations will look far more polished and intentional. This kind of video is perfect for online stores, marketing, or promotion products, all without needing to hire a real person. This is what I was able to create.
Enhance your beauty with this luxurious red lipstick that elevates every look. Perfect for those unforgettable moments.
Now, to show you how flexible this method is, let's switch things up and create some sci-fi characters. For this example, I created two characters, a Cyberpunk ninja and a Viking ninja female, using Seedream 4 inside Higgsfield. Look at how amazing this image looks like. This is amazingly sharp and accurate. There's no blurry faces, no inconsistent armor, just polished, believable characters that stay consistent across every image. And here you also got draw to video, which you can draw into the video and add any elements that you want. This is insane. Next, I animated them using the Kling model with the start frame and end frame feature. And then here you type in your prompt. Now again, if you don't know what to type in, you can head over to Google Gemini, drag in both of the image, the first and the last frame, and ask it, say, please provide me with the improved prompt to animate these images. First image is the first frame, the second image is the last frame. I want them to engage in a kung fu fight, add effects and animations. Then hit go. Gemini will give you an improved animation prompt that you can then copy from here and drag it in here into the prompt box. Now, fighting scenes and fast motions are still the most difficult for AI, but with the right setup, you can create trailer-like quality shots that stay sharp and clean. Not always, I've created a lot of generations, but here is what I've created today.
In this city of neon shadows, I am the ghost they whispered about until I became real.
If you don't have access to Higgsfield but still want to explore different armor designs or character types, no problem. You can use Nanobanana inside Gemini. This is Gemini here, or in LM Arena. Click the image generation button. Here you've got Gemini 2.5 Flash image, which is the Nanobanana model. And then if you scroll all the way down, you also got Seedream 4. So for example, we could drag in this image here and ask it, okay, remove the lipstick. And now this is gonna generate both the Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview and also Seedream 4. So as you can see here, it removed the lipstick successfully with Nanobanana, and Seedream 4 takes a bit longer, but you can use these tools free. I'll leave the links below so you can try them out for yourself. This is how you make your own AI character and AI videos look professional and truly engaging. So here's the breakdown. Seedream 4 inside Higgsfield for the best character image quality, Nanobanana via Gemini or LM Arena for free early stage creation, Higgsfield Speak feature for realistic animation, talking heads and cinematic movement, plus access to all the tools that you need for both image and video workflow. This isn't just the future, it's real workflow that you can use today for social media content, product videos, trailers, and even storytelling. Now, if you want to know how I created my AI twin that you saw at the beginning, then watch this video next. Now, it's your turn to create AI videos that people trust and love watching. Until next time.